My name is Bruce Gross. I've been in the Cary area since I graduated from NC State in 1993. When I first started coming to the dentist, I've always had interesting problems with my teeth, even as an adult. The earliest orthodontics actually left me in a poor state dentally. It left my teeth end to end, so they were truly just grinding themselves away. So at that point, with discussions with Dr. Koch, we decided that the alternative was either going to be dentures in 10 years or it was going to be something a little more drastic. I trusted him, I trusted his judgment. He showed me lots of pictures and we had lots of conversations, and at some point I much preferred a full mouth restoration as opposed to dentures in 10 years. So essentially all my teeth got crowned. It was a complicated process, but one that Dr. Koch walked me through step by step, and now it's great. I look like I have perfect teeth and a perfect mouth, and they feel just like my regular teeth.